Good morning, class 8. Today we'll start with a new chapter, Method of Cooking Food. So, Method of Cooking Food is a chapter where you will learn that what are the different types of methods in which you can cook food. So, from the very beginning, we all know that we do not eat raw food. Raw food is that when you will go to the market, you will just buy vegetable or you'll buy meat and then you come home, wash it and eat it. No, you don't do that. You wash it, you clean it, you cut it out, and then you cook it. So from the very beginning, from the ancient time, the ancient man ate this piece of roasted meat and liked it. So they used to catch animal, they used to roast it. They accidentally discovered fire, then they roasted the meat, and then they know that this is called cooking. But nowadays we have moved on. So yes, how you will cook your food? So you cook your food in order to make it very tasty, right? You don't just buy the vegetables or fruits from the market and then you eat it. You cut them, chop them into pieces, then you add water, then you add spices to it, and then you eat. So there are different methods of cooking. So why do we cook food? So cooking makes the food easy to digest. If you're going to eat raw vegetables and fruit, it will be difficult to chew and swallow. But if you're going to cook the food, it will be easy to digest. It will soften the food and the digestion is done easily. Cooking improves the appearance, texture, color, flavor, and the taste of the food. Obviously, when you will cook the food, it will look beautiful, it will look very appetizing, it will look very eye catching and drool worthy. When you see a plate of pani batasha, it's the appearance changes and you want to eat that. Then the texture of the food is changed because of cooking. So if you are cooking rice, so the rice from the beginning, when you have not cooked the rice, the rice is very hard, but when you after cooking it in water, it becomes soft. Color also changes because you add so many things in it, spices, condiments, you add haldi, etc. So the color changes, the flavor changes. So a raw lauki, if you're going to chew it like this, it will taste different, but if you're going to cook the lauki, it will taste different. Taste of the food, obviously. So a raw potato is not tasty, but a boiled or a fried potato improves its not only taste but also brings change in its texture, which is more appealing. Now cooking food adds variety to our food. So one is that you can take example of potato. So if you're going to cook the potato, you can make potato chaat, you can make potato pakoda, you can make potato paratha, potato bhujia, potato curry, potato chips, right? So many different dishes can be cooked, meals can be cooked if you're going to cook the food. Cooking helps to keep the food longer. So if you have cooked the food, you can keep it for a longer period of time. Why? Because the microorganisms are killed when you are going to cook it. So do you know why we boil milk? So that it does not curdle soon. Curdle, if you're going to just not boil the milk and keep it like this, it will turn into curd because of the microorganisms in it. These are small organisms which divide because of moisture, air, and different temperature. So that is why we boil the milk. So if you're going to cook the food, it will be kept for a longer period of time. Cooking makes the food safe because you can't eat raw vegetables and from the food. You can't eat raw food because some microorganisms are harmful. But if you're going to boil them, if you're going to cook them, if you're going to add heat to them, the microorganisms get killed. So microorganisms that convert the milk into curd are beneficial, while those that cause disease like tuberculosis are harmful. Tuberculosis is TB. So milk may contain bacteria and cause TB. These bacteria are killed when milk is boiled or pasteurized. Pasteurized is a method that we will do in this chapter later on. So milk which is pasteurized can be consumed as it is. You can just take it from the box and you can eat it. Those box of Tetra packs of milk. So pasteurization is a process in which the milk is heated on a high temperature and then quickly cooled into a lower temperature. So the microorganisms cannot able to stand the temperatures, the high and the low temperature, and they get destroyed. So that is why cooking makes the food safe, cooking keeps the food longer, and cooking adds easy to digest, adds appearance, texture, color, flavor and taste, and it adds variety to our meal.